Hey everyone, this is Zelda from Silva Curls Zelda, and I picked up this makeup brush cleaner from Cinema Secrets. I saw a couple of reviews on this, and I have not cleaned my brushes since I received them. I've only used this, the brush color remover, but I haven't cleaned them. Oops, I'm sorry about that. I haven't cleaned them. So I received this product, and this is what it looks like. You get an 8-ounce bottle of quick drying rinse free formula makeup brush cleaner. Okay, they also give you a little tin, and what you are to do is to deep clean, pour it in the container, dip your brush in, and then wipe them off with a cloth or a paper towel. I'm going to use paper towel. Okay, so what I'm going to do, since I think my camera's right there, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit in the tin. When I saw the reviews, I saw them not use a lot. So I'm not going to use a lot. Okay. It smells nice. Ooh. So I have these brushes here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the biggest brush first. Move this over. Put my paper towel down here. Let's see if you can see that in there. Okay. So you can see I have some powder on this one. See, it was a foundation brush. So I'm going to dip it a little bit. Swirl. Actually, that looks pretty clean already. And the reviews that I saw, they said the brush felt dry right after doing this. And it feels a little damp. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, I'm going to use the other side and clean that also. I didn't really use that much, so that's okay. So you see a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. I'm going to take this brush. Okay, this one has a little bit more. Okay, they're not that dirty. That's good. That's clean. Yeah. And it's pretty quick, which is nice. Clean, clean, clean. Oh, I like this. And this bottle was about, I don't remember. I'll put it on the screen. I want to say $25 for 8 ounce. You can get a larger one, but I think the amount that you use, if you use a lot of brushes, yes, I would go ahead and get a large bottle, but this should last me for a while. Okay, that brush is pretty clean. Concealer brush. I did it again. I hit my head on the ring light. And the last brush. Oops. Now that one I dipped. And you only need a little bit. Man, I wish I had more brushes to clean because I sure would clean them because this is done. They're all done. Nice clean brushes. Thanks for watching.